तो हेलो गाइस, जय जगन्नाथ। आज है CDP फोटो एडिटिंग का 3 डे। आज हम सीखेंगे PicsArt पे कैसे बर्थडे पोस्टर बनाते हैं। तो आप भी चाहते हो आपका फ्रेंड का बर्थडे पोस्टर बनाने के लिए, तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेरा इंस्टा आईडी है, जाके उसमें DM करो। तो वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं।
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation.